Ting bam bam. Look what's on Jamaican. Really different style, different fashion.
Hey guys, good morning from sweet Jamaica. Alright, I'm gonna show you what they have for breakfast this morning. So this look like some sort of mixed vegetable, maybe it's pak choy. Over here you have sweet potatoes, then you have saltfish, boiled dumpling, potatoes, salt mackerel, bananas. You have some peanut porridge, you have callaloo, you have curry chicken, you have boiled dumplings. I think you have peanut porridge over there too. Okay, you have some bacons right here. And get some bacon. You have bacons, you have ash brown, and you have bean stew. Excuse me. That's eggs Benedict. I don't know what that is. That will come along that. Over here you have the assorted desserts. I'm gonna get a cupcake for Carisi. Let me just pick. I wanted to get some eggs, but there wasn't any right now. So those are the assorted desserts. And let's go down for the fruits. Let me take this over first. So these are the fruit choices: watermelon, mangoes, star apples, oranges, cantaloupes. Let's try the mango. Excuse me. You have this one over here. Oh, this is the honeydew melon, and that's cantaloupe. Yeah, guys. So that's about it for right now. I'll come back later. Hold on, let me see what's over here. We have croissant. That's about it. Say hi, Khaleesi. The food must be good for Dan to be eaten, because Dan do not eat food. I miss trying and say hi to the vlog. Foodie.
Hi, drinking calmly porridge, dashing, sauce mackerel, Irish potato, green banana, curry chicken, and vegetable.
Okay, ma'am. I'm waiting on one of the twin. I'm Mr. Doing over here chilling. And everybody else is asleep. They're tired. They're beat. We had we took the kids to the kids club last night, and they had like a little show for us. It was so good. So everybody's tired and beat out. They're still sleeping, but I'm not wasting my money. I'm enjoying it. I feel tired, yes, but I'm not wasting my money. I'm enjoying it to the fullest. It's my birthday month. Every day is my birthday this month. So anyways, guys, I'll see you in a few. Guys, you know what I want to say? What I've observed since I'm here, and it makes me feel really, really good about it. There is people of color. I want to use the right wording. There is a lot of people of color among the mass. When I tell you, I feel so good seeing that, because you know, back in the days you would think that it's only white people go on vacation, or white people was only the privileged ones to go on vacation and do things like this. We people of color were always put down, and I'm so happy to see that we are among the mass and that we are living life. We are living, and trust me, as I said in my previous vlogs, I wish everyone could have the opportunity and just to experience this. It feels so good. There is a lot of people of color. I feel like with this trip, it's more colored people than white people, and that makes me feel really good, really good, because now I'm seeing that we are living. We're not just existing, we're living. We're living. Life is out here to live, guys. We gotta just, you know, balance, have a balance, and live life. It doesn't make sense. You just get up, you work, you pay bills, no fun, no enjoyment. Because guess what happened? When it's all said and done, who's gonna spend your money that you work so hard for, that you don't use to treat yourself? Who's gonna spend it? Listen, live your life. Live life. Life is out there to live. Go on vacation, worry about the bills after. The Lord will make a way. You have to live life. It is so great to see people are enjoying themselves, and I'm telling you, old people, young people, it's different. I even see people down here in wheelchair on the beach. So what are your excuses? Live life. Live life. I just had to say that. I just had to get it off my chest. I'm telling you, if you look among the people here, you see it's more black than white. So you know, I'm just happy to see that. Anyway guys, I'll see you in a minute.
Next time I pull your boat off, I stand first.
Oh, okay. Well, this is... Then we start crashing the boat. Panic, she panic. That's what we want. Imagine. Come on, now, do it. Come on, now. Cuba. Cuba with no fear. Cuba it is. Cuba with no fear.
I will stick to dry land. This is not for me.
No.
Oh God.
Come, me again.
Thank God Jamaica came with us.
Me again, come.
Whew.
Me not go again.
You didn't like it?
Auntie Shani.
Thank you.
Look what I'm talking about. My juice.
Jamai is the one for this, man. This is your thing, Jamai. Yeah. Go, Jamai. Sue. I do not.
Kristen, Jamai, and Twinny crashed the boat.
Let me come third.
You come third.
What you doing?
Sharon come second.
Who near Sharon?
You don't know who near Sharon sitting beside you. And the Sharon she name. And Jamai first.
Moral wife in our boat.
Oh, it was a nice experience.
Mhm.
Go and try.
Jamai and Twinny, Jamai and Sue did good.
Yeah.
But
Put it back over there too. Come back later.
So how you mismatch to the dog, guys? How that call
it's a good thing, I know me know who are who.
And the club leader said yesterday to
She said they having two different color beads, which I did not notice.
Right.
Yeah, I didn't know. That's why I keep asking them who is little, who is biggie.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
It's just tormented.
Right there.
Switch it on.
Hello, switch it on, yeah. When you bought this here, now, I'm just trying to put that in there, you know.
Okay, girl.
Put it on one side, no?
Oh my God! I was stick to dry land. You want to try it now?
Stop the video.
Okay, Jamai, I see you. Okay. Okay. Susu. Good job, Susu. turn around. Turn around, Swin. Turn around, turn around. Turn around. Well, in the light it, make it light it properly, make it light it properly.
Give me 2 and 5. I can't pass on that. Give me 2 and 5. Alright, give me 2 and 5, boy. I don't think I will do the yellow, but
What are you doing? Bad influence. Bad influence. So guys, this is what I'm having for dinner. I'm having Esco beach fish, jerk chicken, tripe and bean, corn, and I have a few festivals over there. Doing is having festival, chicken, corn, rice and beans, and a dumpling. Guys, let me tell you how the curry goat smells so good. You can smell the ram goat. It smells like ram goat. It smells so good, but I didn't want to have any curry, especially because I'm wearing white and I'm not that careful. But yeah, I'm gonna dig in and I'll be right back. Alright guys, excuse me, just a minute. So stew peas, oxtail, look at that. Over here we have ackee, curry, mutton, and jerk chicken. Look at Mr. Moore plate. Listen, I am proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. And Auntie's just having that. Oh, Auntie's not hungry today, huh? You eat too much today, right? And Twinnie, what are you having? Fried chicken, jerk chicken, curry mutton, ackee and saltfish, rice and beans, oxtail, and some fruits. Okay, okay. And Miss Khaleesi. Oh my God, Khaleesi, don't mess up your clothes, please. Miss Khaleesi is having fried chicken, corn, and festival. Come on, tell them what you're having tonight.
It's a taste test. So lasagna. What kind of chicken patty? This chicken patty. Bread stick. And more bread. Chicken lasagna.
No, I think that's a
Potato salad.
potato salad. And this is what this man leaves from his house all the way in Spanish Town and comes to the hotel in Ocho Rios to have patties. Patties. Huh? Patties. Tell me. And this is the man. This is the real man. This man don't play with his food. I love it. I love it. Yes. And of course, Twinnie, she look like she boss. Twinnie second. Oh, she mash up fair food. I Swain. How was the food? Is it good? Are you full? Already? Okay, that's why you leave your house from Spanish Town to Ocho Rios for to eat 2 pieces of food. Just 2 little pieces of food. But it's okay as long as you're having fun. For your food. See my digging already? But you're not getting no whole heap of food, my brother. What go on? Your belly food. How's the food, sister? No?
It's okay so far.
The curry goat is good. Papa, where's your food? You look so cute, my niecey. Niecey? You're not looking at me? You look so cute. Mr. Moore, say hi to the vlog. I love to see you guys eating. I love it. Paulette, where's your food? Oh, I haven't seen you all morning. You was busy. Look at his plate. It's a mountain. You see that? Gaza, that's how you have it?
Yeah. Down, buddy.
Come on, man. Come on, come on. You guys got to eat up the food. Oh, my God. Look at that. Live life, my uncle. Live your life. Eat food. This, guys. They want to hang, but they can't hang. Look at that. She is sleeping. She didn't even want it to eat. Yeah, man.